We got another hotel review coming at you today, this time from Manila, Philippines. Okada Hotel Resort Casino is one of the best hotels I've ever stayed at. Stay tuned to Mr. Black Adventures. I'm going to tell you all about this amazing experience and give you some other options in case you decide against this one. Situated about 10 to 15 minutes from the airport, this is an extremely close hotel, resort, casino that you can experience within moments of touching down here in the Philippines. Hotel features 1,000 rooms, curated rooms, suites, villas, all situated right next to Manila Bay for sunsets that are absolutely mesmerizing. We elected to stay at the Grand Deluxe King Room here at the Okada. Now let me be very clear, this is not a suite. I repeat, this is not a suite. It is a regular room. This hotel reminds me of a few hotels I've stayed at in the past, the Aria, to be really specific, and it has some elements of the Wynn throughout the entire hotel. Absolutely pleasant room size. It was huge, massive. You have a great room for about $270 per night. You can't beat this deal. While not classified as a suite, generally this is what I would expect from a suite. This is the master bedroom, the only bedroom, king size. And you've got your in-house tub, which also has a view of the ocean. We got the dual sinks, which is always great when you have a significant other. And what do I always say? Actually, we'll go here first. We got, somewhere in there. We got a Toto, which means we got our butt spray, and that always makes me happy. Cool. And then we've got, let's see what we got here. We've got our shower, standard fare. Just a really nice design room, personally. I think this is a beautiful room. You're looking at about, we're paying $800 for 3 nights. So it's not cheap, but for the space, I mean, considering what we paid in wall, it's actually not that bad. This is another side room where you can do makeup. Hey, your makeup room's in here, babe. Got a full closet to kind of store stuff and keep the luggage out of the way. Got your towels or your robes.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
By the way, get started. Then for the curtain,
Yep.
room controls, we have a curtains. You have actually a manual and it's an auto.
Okay.
For that one, kindly open. First is drapes.
Yep. We want to open the drapes. Oh, perfect. Perfect. We got automation. We got the Aria in here.
And the second one is
Hold on 1 second. Close this door. Get our view. Looking beautiful.
television.
Yep.
If you like
EBA TV. Yep.
just select the television.
And it just automatically plays. Okay.
Yes, for the food, this one you have a private dining, in-room dining.
Okay.
The hotels.
Okay.
If you love Filipino breakfast, Western breakfast, and
Yeah.
Chinese breakfast.
Okay.
And aside from that, kindly pick some. You love the food also.
There is doors. Luggage delivered. I wanted to add one more thing. There's actually 2 bathrooms. This room's sizable, to say the least. I believe it was somewhere in the 800. Oh God, I just walked in. And that's what I like to see. Now I know some of you are dying to work out, so even though you're on vacation for 3 days, you gotta hit that gym. Well, hey, guess what? They do have a gym. It's nice, fully featured. You got everything you need in here, your dumbbells, your bench press, your weight room stuff. The standard fare, no complaints. Food, let's talk about food. Jollibee, a big franchise in Philippines, which has expanded. We've got Texas Roadhouse here. They've got TGI Fridays. They've got, if you want to stay here and eat at the regular buffet, you can. It is called the Melanie Buffet. And the buffet was fine. We did it once, but there are so many other American restaurants that you don't really get to see when you're in Asia. What about that pool? Hey, there it is. That pool is outside and it is very large, so no complaints there. Fully featured, you've got food service, drink service. You're literally right in front of the Manila Bay. Not much to see there except for sunset, but it's nice nonetheless. So in reality, the final verdict for this hotel is it was freaking awesome. No complaints, absolutely blown away. I told you I would give you a second option. Look at the City of Dreams. It is a nice complex featuring a bunch of hotels. The old outside is gold. The gold windows, gold exterior. It looks really nice. It's a trifecta of hotels with all situated around a casino, which they all connect to. That's where I usually stay. This time I said I was gonna try something new. I've never heard of the Okada. I am pleasantly surprised by the stay. Honestly, if I went back, I would probably stay at this hotel over the Hyatt, which we usually stay at the City of Dreams. But, and it's just the value. Like, this wasn't even a suite. That room was not a suite. It looked like something out of The Wynn or something close to it. It had elements of Aria, which is another hotel in Las Vegas. They are basically taking a lot of the good stuff out of Vegas hotels and they put it right in there. The casino was, obviously we can't do video of that, but the casino was perfect. It's just enough, just what you needed. It wasn't crowded. Service was fine. Oh, let's talk about drinks. So beers and house wine. I do believe house wine. I don't drink wine, but beers are free. I can tell you that for sure. And if you want anything else, you basically have to pay for it on your own. Every country is different on their alcohol policy. I know Las Vegas, pretty much most stuff is free with the exception of their high-end spirits, but at this place, just beers are free to my knowledge. But I want to say there are house wines that were included in that, but don't quote me on it, don't get mad. And if you know, just put it in the comment, let everybody else know. I just can't remember that piece. Outside of that, the food, inside dining at all the restaurants for the hotel, we went to a few of them. Perfect, no complaints there. So yeah, if you got any comments about the hotel, questions about the hotel, I do a lot of hotel review videos. That's kind of what we do when we go on these travel road shows, whatever you want to call it. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, hit a like. And until next time, I'll see you again. Mr. Black Adventures.